Hi there, this is the Russell Hobbs, a quiet boil kettle. Now this is a very fast kettle. It's got a 3 kilowatt heater, which means it's able to boil water very quickly. It can boil from 1 cup in 45 seconds, and so that makes it very efficient. It saves you a bit of money. Now it comes with this quiet system which makes the water boiling system a little bit quieter by causing the bubbles not to form as large as they should do. Now this is the same system that's in the Luna, the Russell Hobbs Luna, which is now out of production, and I was looking to compare the two together. Luna's really hard to get hold of. If you get hold of one of them just now, then do so, because it is substantially better than this more modern one. This one's about £10 cheaper than the Luna, which retails at 45. This one retails at £35 at current prices, but the Luna is a much more elegant unit. It looks elegant, it looks tall and centered, but this one's quite rounded and very retro 1950s sunbeam kind of style. Brushed stainless steel. The Luna comes in a number of different finishes, copper and silver, and also a bluey grey kind of metallic color. How quiet the Luna? Luna is exceptionally quiet. This one also is quiet boil, but what you'll find is this doesn't really perform as a quiet boil. It's as loud as a regular kettle, I find, and when you look at the bubbles that are being generated here, it's as big as the regular Russell. Is it a good purchase? Well, if you hadn't tried the Luna, this would look quite good. When you try the Luna, you'll get used to the speed and the silence of the Russell Hobbs Luna compared to this one. But as I said, it is supposed to be quiet boil. Doesn't perform as one, so therefore it doesn't really count. Rapid boil, yes it does boil very quickly. Is it elegant? Yes it is. It comes with a 3-year guarantee as well, and you have got these windows here to see the water, which is great. You've also got the blue LED, which you've seen in the intro. The pouring spout is very good. Again, it's mentioned in the intro.